I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your readiness. You need high damage and survivability, so make sure you are level 700 or higher, or queue with a strong team. Next, pick your loadout. You'll want a heavy-hitting devil fruit or a high-tier sword, plus hacky and healing items. Then teleport to the Sunken Kingdom Island when the boss spawns, follow the event timer and head straight to the marked zone, because speed matters once the encounter begins. Once in combat, you manage aggro and timing. Prioritize interruptible moves to create burst windows, because breaking those attacks shortens the fight. Move intelligently. During ground slams, use ranged attacks, and when she does wide sweeps, you must sidestep to avoid heavy damage. Coordinate role rotation. Swap the tank or healer every 30 to 45 seconds to share punishment and keep HP stable. Keep communicating. You close the fight by timing a coordinated final burst. When Big Mom staggers, use every cooldown and combo to finish her fast, because prolonged fights increase wipe risk. After she drops, loot immediately and note the spawn timer so you can plan the next run. If the attempt fails, don't panic. Respawn, review the timer, and adjust. Upgrade your gear, improve positioning, or requeue with a better team. This troubleshooting step is the quickest path to consistent victories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.